This is the 20 scale for engineering scales, and the types of scales that we would use this particular scale for would be 1 to 2, 1 to 200, 1 inch equals 20 feet. Notice that every one of these scales have in common that there's a 2 in the second number, or the right hand number, as the scale is read. So we will look at the same measurement and see how the different answers come up with slightly different decimal positions or putting a foot mark at the end, depending on how we're deciding to read that scale. So for this first scale, I'm going to imagine that we're reading it so that 1 inch is equal to 20 feet. Here's where the actual inch is. We can see that it's lined right up with the 2, but we're going to call that 20 feet in this scenario. So if this is 20 feet, this has to be 50 feet, and we are 1, 2, 3 places past 50, so this has to be 53 feet. This is a correct answer, putting the foot mark at the end because of the scale we're using here. 1 inch equals 20 feet. That means our answer is going to be in feet. In the next scenario, we're going to now imagine that this is 1 inch is equal to 200 inches. So the unit on this side has to match the unit on the other side when we use a colon. So 1 to 200, this is 200. Then that means this would be 500. This is 600, so these must be tens. So we're looking at 530 would be our answer. Here we can choose to put the inch mark in, or we can leave it without the inch mark because this is an ambiguous scale. For the last one, we have 1 inch equals 2,000 feet. So this is now 2,000 feet, 2000 on the foot mark. So this would be 5,000 feet. This would be 6,000 feet. So these must be hundreds. So 100. So 6,300 feet. 5,300 feet would be our correct answer. And when we look at our answers all together, we can see just the position of the zeros, or how many zeros we've added on to that number, or whether or not we've put a foot mark after it or not, has everything to do with how we've decided to use that scale.